Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to upgrade the central control screen of the old BMW X5. This is what the original car screen looks like. Take a look. Let me briefly explain the disassembly and assembly steps. First remove the dashboard panel, and then remove the air outlet panel. Then remove the air conditioning button panel and the original car host in the panel. Finally, we just need to remove the original car screen. This is the screen after we completed the upgrade. The screen is larger than before and has more functions. Supports wireless CarPlay, where you can use voice assistant, make phone calls, listen to music and use map navigation. Want to know how to disassemble and upgrade? Then please follow the video. The first step is to remove the protective shell of the instrument panel. First pry open the top of it with a tool, and then loosen it from the bottom of the shell. Then grab both sides and take them off directly. Now we remove the air outlet panel and use tools to pry it from the bottom to loosen all the buckles. Then remove the air outlet panel with both hands. After disassembly, observe that there are 3 plugs on the back. Unplug them all to disconnect them. Now start to remove the air conditioner button panel. Before disassembly, we need to remove the lower panel and the 2 screws fixing it. Okay, let's start. Use the tool to start from the top of the panel, and then just remove it. Loosen the 2 screws on the left and right. Now pry the button panel. Start to loosen it from the right side. Then pry it from the bottom and take it off when it becomes loose. Now pry the button panel. Start to loosen it from the right side. Then pry it from the bottom and take it off when it becomes loose. This kind of plug can be pulled out by pulling down the lever at the top. Now we can start to dismantle the main unit. It has a total of 4 fixing screws, because this main unit was bumped and the corner was missing. After unscrewing everything, start to take out the host, and then look at the plug on the back of the host. We only need to unplug its power plug and the optical fiber plug on the back of the power plug. Start to remove the screen. It is fixed by 2 screws. We only need to remove these 2 screws. Pull out the original car screen. Now observe, there is only 1 plug on the back of the screen. This is the LVDS plug. We press its elastic buckle and then pull it out. This is our new power harness. This is the AUX in and AUX out on the harness. We're going to connect it. After connecting, we need to lay out the lines and pass the white plug of the wiring harness from the host position to the screen along the key panel and air outlet. Start connecting the wires. First connect the fiber optic plug to the back of the male connector of the new wire harness, and then insert the male connector into the host. Then connect the other big black plug of the new wiring harness to the original host power plug. After the connection is completed, we will put the host back. We should pay attention here. Before putting it back, we should sort out the wiring harness inside, otherwise it will be very crowded. Then refasten its 4 screws. Now we reinstall the key panel. Plug in according to the color, pull the upper lever to the middle, and then press it in directly. Now install the button panel, align its buckle with the card slot, and press it in directly to install it. The same operation is performed on the lower panel. Align the buckle with the card slot to install it. Refasten the two screws on the key panel. This is our new base. We press it in from top to bottom from this position. Note that the buckle must be correctly aligned with the slot. Let us use the original screws to secure the new base. Now start connecting the new screen. This is the original car LVDS plug. This is a USB plug. This is the screen power plug. We match the buckles on the back of the screen to the slots on the base. Align them and press to secure the screen. OK, reconnect the three plugs on the back of the outlet panel. We align the buckle of the outlet panel with its slot, and then press it in firmly to install it correctly. Finally, we install the protective shell of the instrument panel by aligning the buckle of the shell with the slot and pressing it in. Now we start the ignition and we can see that the current resolution of the original car system is incorrect. We need to set the correct resolution. We long press to enter the Android system, enter Settings Factory, Settings, enter password. Then scroll to the bottom, find the resolution setting, and select the system version corresponding to your car. Now enter the original car system and it will be the correct interface. The current Android system has no sound when playing music. We need to set the AUX sound output. We press the mode button of the mouse. Then it appears this interface. We select the external device, click it and select the AUX front. Now we long press to enter the Android system, and we can go to local music to listen to our favorite songs. Of course, if you are a music enthusiast, you can also choose your favorite tone by adjusting the DSP. In addition to music, you can also watch your favorite movies. You can also drive and use map navigation to travel wherever you want to go. In terms of safe driving, it supports door reminders. Support reversing image. You can make a call to anyone by touching the screen or hang up using the steering wheel buttons. Okay, the video is almost over. If you have any questions, please contact us. Everyone is welcome to leave a message.